Welcome to California Wealth Advisors. I am Kelley Slaught, the owner and CEO of the firm. I'm an author and a radio show host. We seek to build foundations for financial wealth for our clients. We will look at the 4 pillars of our overall financial house to make sure your assets are working for you. We tailor-make each portfolio for our clients. The first of the 4 pillars of investing is risk management. We look at any kind of risk that might affect your overall portfolio and we try to fix them. What do I mean by risk? Divorce, lawsuit, health issues, making sure your assets are titled correctly. We also look at Social Security and long-term care. Life events can happen to any of us in a split second, and we want to protect you as best we can against those events. The second pillar is your estate planning. We make sure your assets are going to your heirs in the manner you want them to. If a spouse dies, where do you want your assets to go? If a remarriage happens, we want to make sure your kids are not disinherited. Here again, we will look at how your assets are titled. We work with estate planning attorneys to make sure all of your assets are protected if you are sued or any of those life events happen to you. I am not an estate planning attorney, but we do work with many to fix any of the errors we see in estate planning. The third pillar of your overall financial house is your family office, or what we like to call your vault. We want to make sure your important documents are in one place. We will create a notebook each year for you that puts all of your statements together so it's easy to work with your CPA. And then we do a once-a-year balance sheet with all of your assets listed. This is a great way to have your loved ones know where your assets are located and your important documents are in case one of those life events unexpectedly happens to you. I have many clients that love to travel, and if their passport gets stolen, we can send them an immediate copy, which helps with quite a bit of hassle and headaches. The final pillar, of course, is your investment portfolio. We have created the MAS Proprietary Process to do this. M is the markets, A is alternatives, and S is safe money. We look at portfolios to make sure that if you're looking for income, it's created for you. If you're looking for growth, then that's created for you too. In the M part of my MAS Proprietary Process, we look at the stock market, bond, and mutual fund markets, and we create either income or growth for you off of those. Those also offer liquidity, but also risk. To have a portfolio not 100% in the stock market, we then look at alternatives, the A part of my MAS Proprietary Process. Many times these are real estate programs or private placements. Often they will yield 4, 5, 6, or even 7%, which is largely tax advantaged. We also use alternative space for 1031 exchanges and opportunity zones if you're looking for tax advantages. Then we look at the safe section of our MAS Proprietary Process. This is where we look to have secure asset protection in insured types of products backed by insurance companies. We're looking here at annuities, life insurance, long-term care. When clients come to me and want downside protection, the safe section of my MAS Proprietary Process is where we go. As you can see, we do a wide array of things for our clients. Each client we talk to is different, and what they're looking for is different, and that's why we tailor-make portfolios for you. We are, of course, a fiduciary. If this is of interest to you, please give us a call